Hello and welcome to another video. If you like the content I make, would highly appreciate it if you leave a like and become a new subscriber. For all you watching, in the end of this video a bonus awaits, so hold on. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, is an extraordinary and exceptional world. Among our solar system's more than 150 known moons, Titan is the only one with a substantial atmosphere. And of all the places in the solar system, Titan is the only place besides Earth known to have liquids in the form of rivers, lakes and seas on its surface. Titan is larger than the planet Mercury and is the second largest moon in our solar system. Jupiter's moon Ganymede is just a little bit larger, by about 2%. Titan's atmosphere is made mostly of nitrogen like Earth's, but with a surface pressure 50% higher than Earth's. Titan has clouds, rain, rivers, lakes and seas of liquid hydrocarbons like methane and ethane. The largest seas are hundreds of feet deep and hundreds of miles wide. Beneath Titan's thick crust of water ice is more liquid, an ocean primarily of water rather than methane. Titan's subsurface water could be a place to harbor life as we know it, while its surface, lakes and seas of liquid hydrocarbons could conceivably harbor life that uses different chemistry than we are used to, that is, life as we don't yet know it. Titan could also be a lifeless world. Did you know? As exotic as Titan might sound, in some ways it's one of the most hospitable worlds in the solar system. Titan's nitrogen atmosphere is so dense that a human wouldn't need a pressure suit to walk around on the surface. He or she would however need an oxygen mask and protection against the cold. Temperatures at Titan's surface are around minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 179 Celsius. Titan's dense atmosphere, as well as gravity roughly equivalent to Earth's moon, mean that a raindrop falling through Titan's sky would fall more slowly than on Earth. While Earth rain falls at about 20 miles per hour, 9.2 meters per second, scientists have calculated that rain on Titan falls at about 3.5 miles per hour, or 1.6 meters per second, or about 6 times more slowly than Earth's rain. Orbit and rotation. Titan takes 15 days and 22 hours to complete a full orbit of Saturn. Titan is also tidally locked in synchronous rotation with Saturn, meaning that, like Earth's moon, Titan always shows the same face to the planet as it orbits. Saturn takes about 29 Earth years to orbit the Sun, a Saturnian year, and Saturn's axis of rotation is tilted like Earth's, resulting in seasons. But Saturn's longer year produces seasons that each last more than 7 Earth years. Since Titan orbits roughly along Saturn's equatorial plane and Titan's tilt relative to the Sun is about the same as Saturn's, Titan's seasons are on the same schedule as Saturn's. Seasons that last more than 7 Earth years and a year that lasts 29 Earth years. Structure. Titan's internal structure isn't entirely known, but one model based on data from the Cassini-Huygens mission suggests Titan has 5 primary layers. The innermost layer is a core of rock, specifically water-bearing silicate rock, about 2,500 miles or 4,000 kilometers in diameter. Surrounding the core is a shell of water ice, a special type called Ice 6 that is only found at extremely high pressures. The high-pressure ice is surrounded by a layer of salty liquid water, on top of which sits an outer crust of water ice. This surface is coated with organic molecules that have rained or otherwise settled out of the atmosphere in the form of sands and liquids. The surface is hugged by a dense atmosphere. Surface. The surface of Titan is one of the most Earth-like places in the solar system, albeit at vastly colder temperatures and with different chemistry. Here it is so cold that water ice plays the role of rock. Titan may have volcanic activity as well, but with liquid water lava instead of molten rock. Titan's surface is sculpted by flowing methane and ethane, which carves river channels and fills great lakes with liquid natural gas. No other world in the solar system aside from Earth has that kind of liquid activity on its surface.